Good morning, welcome back. We're going to have a quick discussion regarding seed nets. Now in Africa or South Africa or Southern Africa or anywhere in Africa, you're going to need a seed net from time to time. Let me first quickly show you the seed net that's already been installed on the vehicle, and then we can quickly go through it and I'll tell you why we use it. There you can see, in my case, I have used two seed nets. The seed net is running all the way down onto the vehicle. This is very important. Right, so there you can see the seed net that I have installed on my vehicle. I apologize for the background, but I can't do it in the veld or in the bush or in the grasslands because it's nasty to crawl in the grass and try and show you what is going on. So why do we use it? We use it when we travel in savanna areas where there's usually very long grass, and because in the rainy season the long grass will overgrown all these small roads, and then if you travel through these long grass, the grass seeds will go into your radiator and clog and block your radiator, and then your vehicle will overheat, and there's a huge possibility that you will overheat the engine of your vehicle, and then sorry boys, then you need to replace it. Or there's also a possibility that the long grass may even burn your vehicle down. Okay, but let me quickly explain to you. In the rainy season, the grass is growing nicely on the savanna, and it's usually sometimes that long, but in the roads sometimes that long. While the grass is green, it's not really a problem because then the seeds are still green and it's quite strongly attached to the grass stem. But the moment the rainy season passes and it's getting to winter time, those grass will die, but the seeds are also dry now and it will come easily off the grass stems. Okay, so if you travel through the long grass, those grass seeds will go into your radiator. It will not go through the radiator, and it will block or clog your radiator, and then you might seize your vehicle engine because the radiator cannot cool down your engine because it's clogged. The grass seeds, what happens then is the wind cannot flow through the radiator to cool the radiator down. A thing that many people do not realize is that the moment, obviously you travel at slow speeds like 20 kilometers per hour or sometimes 30 kilometers per hour, so there's not much airflow. So when the vehicle engine, the engine temperatures goes up, then obviously your fan will kick in to cool down your radiator. But when the fan kicks in, obviously it sucks cold air from the outside and push it or blow it through the radiator and cool down the radiator. But at that same time, that fan will also suck loose seeds up and into your radiator. Okay, and therefore it is important to do a proper installation of this, and I just want to quickly show this to you. The correct way will be, in this case, you install your seed net. This is the seed net. I don't know if you can clearly see the black on black. I'm using black. You do get them in different colors. There's black ones, the 99% of them are green, and I even saw that there's blue ones out there, but it must be natural as possible, so I went for the black one. Basically what it boils down to is you need to install the net from the top of your radiator all the way down, over your bumper, all the way down, down, all the way. And then, I don't know if you can see this clearly, it even goes all the way to the bottom of your radiator. So it's from the top of the radiator to the bottom of the radiator. That's how you do it. I see that many people, what they do is, they install their seat net from the top of their radiator and you just take it over the bumper and then it stops. And you will notice that this first seat net goes from the top of the radiator all the way over the bumper and it stops right here. And it stops here. It's not good enough. You need to cover the underside as well. And why is that? 99%, well, not 99%, but let's say 70% of the seeds, of the grass seeds, will come from the underside of your vehicle, not from the front. So you push the grass, as you travel, you push the grass over, and then it obviously smears, or I don't know what you want to call it, and then it comes up on the other side again. But that's why, and with obviously your radiator fan that's kicking in, it will suck as you touch those grass stems or ride all over them. The seeds will come off the grass stems and it will be sucked into your radiator. So that's why it's very important to do it from the top of your radiator all the way over your bumper to the bottom of your radiator. That's the proper way to do it. You will find that you buy these grass nets in the shop, they are all too small. You do get bigger ones, but even they are too small. So I buy two separate ones and then I overlap them. I don't know if you can see this. Here, we've basically overlapped it. There's a bottom one, this is a top one. We overlap it a little bit. And just to make 100% sure that there's no seeds going into our radiator. Another very important question is, can I put my seat net on and travel on a tar road, travel on the highways? So you're on your way to the bush, but you're not there yet. So can I put my seat net on? Yeah, you can. I've done tests on my vehicle. My vehicle do not overheat on high speeds because the net can cause or hinder the airflow at high speeds. So your vehicle might also overheat. So some vehicles do, some don't. I've done tests on my vehicle. I can put my seat net on at home and I can travel all the way there and back and my vehicle will not overheat. So be careful, do a test. If you're not 100% sure, don't put it on at home. First get to the bush and put it on there. But I think this is my second vehicle that I'm doing it with. Previously I had a Land Rover Discovery, and with the Land Rover Discovery is 100%, it will not overheat. With the Jeep also does not overheat. Yeah, so safe traveling. Jesus loves you. Bye.